In this video, we're going to talk about how to register for your courses. If you haven't watched our video called Building Your Schedule, make sure that you do that first. Let's get started. Now that you have your conflict-free schedule made and all of your CRNs collected, it's time to register. First, log in to Dal Online. Click on Web for Students. Then, click on Registration. Then click on Select Term. We are going to register for both our fall and winter term courses, but let's start with fall first. Click on your fall term. It's important that you select the right term. Remember that all fall term course CRNs start with a 1 and winter term CRNs start with a 2. If you've selected the wrong term and you submit fall CRNs in the winter term registration system, you'll get an error message telling you that your CRNs that you spent time collecting don't exist. So, always check that you're in the right term when you're registering for courses. Now that we've selected our fall term, we're going to click on Add/Drop Classes. See all those blank boxes along the bottom of the screen? Here's where we're going to type our CRNs. You will type 1 CRN per box. Once they've all been typed in, click Submit Changes. That's it! If all goes well, you'll see this screen. See how all of the courses and their corresponding labs and tutorials have the words Web Registered beside them? That means that you registered successfully. If you encounter any error messages, find out what they mean by clicking on the Help button here on Dal Online. If you still can't figure out what's going on, email or call our first-year advising team. Now that you're registered for classes, you can view your schedule by clicking on the link at the bottom of the screen that says Student Schedule by Day and Time. You can print your schedule from here, or click on the course to find out more details, like the location of the class, the professor's name, and oftentimes their email address. And we're done! You've finished registering. Congratulations and welcome to Dal. We can't wait until you start classes. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact the first-year advising team. All contact details will be listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching!